Well, hello there, friends. So here we are again at the video wrench. So Hykoont came through for me again, and look what they sent me. So let's see here. It says open. There's a little arrow right there. It says open. So let's open it. See what we got here. Actually, I know what it is, but it's a surprise for you, unless if you read the title of this video. It is right here. Look at that. Something special. So there's lots of goodies in here. So we got the manual, right? And this is the light itself. Let's check it out. So, wow. Just as promised. So the backing here, this housing is made out of aluminum. The last light that I bought like this from another manufacturer, it was plastic. And I can show you here in a second what that one turned out like. Well, after a few weeks in the hot summer sun, it looks sadder and sadder and sadder. Now it's at a negative angle. It's not shining anywhere near shining the pole. It's shining the pole, yeah. This one here is legitimate. Look at that. It's so beautiful. All aluminum there. So it's got that. Looks like we have a mount for a building. We got our post right there. And we got a couple bags of hardware. So let's go ahead and see what we've got to do to put this up. Oh, look what else I just saw. A remote. That is so awesome. I just realized there's something that I haven't seen yet. Must be right here. There it is. Oh, got ourselves a solar panel. I'm just going to follow the manual here. That's what you're supposed to do, right? That's something that I never do. But I think we should. So step number one is to mount this bracket here onto the solar panel. So we got the bolt, got the nut. Put these on. Okay, so I got that bracket mounted. So that's the first part. Now it looks like the second part, step number two, is this bracket right here. So these are the specs right here on that solar panel. There we go. Well, now we're getting someplace. Let's take a look at this one. Got that started pretty easy. Let's try this one. And they give you this nice little wrench right here, just in case if you don't have your own. Okay, that one's holding. That's two. Okay, that's on. Oh, look at that. It's charging. Let's see what it looks like at night. So the remote came with batteries. See if I can do this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now to have some fun with some of these features. So what I see here is on and off on the remote. And I kind of like this dim feature here. If I hit it, you can see what's going on here. Okay, I'm gonna go brighter this time. So it does change. Okay, I'm gonna go lower again so that way you can see it again. I'm clicking here. Okay, it just went down. I want to go back up again because I like it nice and bright. So these are some of the features right here. You got full brightness. Let's see, you got 2 plus 2, 2 hours. Oh, you got 6 hours full brightness. So you got all these different features. I kind of like the motion sensor. So I liked it so much I put another one right there. So thank you, Hykoont, for your wonderful products. And until next time, we'll see ya.